if I talk about this type of practice, speaking practice, so it's been only 2 months since when I started speaking through my.
Oh, so just in 2 months, you improved a lot, really. And this confidence, right? You have confidence to speak. It's a really very great thing inside you. Okay, I can
Thank a
see.
lot.
Okay, so good to hear
But
about that.
ma'am, I can say that I got all inspiration from your site and also more YouTuber. And nowadays, I'm very thankful to these type of YouTubers and also this type of app means Skype and all who are means providing this type of beautiful content for learners and beginners. And also, you all are such type of nice person who always ready to make learners feel comfortable. Because firstly, when I talked to you, so
Yeah,
just for me, it's like my dream came true that I'm talking to you all. So you all are very nice and also making us feel comfortable.
yeah.
Great
So
thing I explained.
thank you so much for appreciating me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Okay. So hello, Sapna ji. How are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. Thanks for asking and tell me about yourself. How are you?
I'm pretty well. Thanks for asking. So how is going on your practice nowadays?
Ma'am, as always, it's all going on smoothly. But if I talk about time, so I'm very busy nowadays in my school work because half yearly exam is going on in my school. So I'm supposed to check copy of student and also there are many more works. So this time I'm completely busy in the school work, but still I'm managing time for my journey of learning English. And also, ma'am, I want to share my feeling before you.
Yeah,
Nowadays
yeah.
I'm feeling very much happy and satisfied, and I hope that you can see happiness on my face directly.
Yeah.
There's a satisfaction in me that yes, I'm doing something for me, for my English.
Yes, yes,
That's the
right.
great.
Yeah, I'm really very glad for you because you are doing something different in your life and you are also like spreading very various kind of thought, knowledge, right? It is very, very great thing, okay, for you and for other people as well, right? Okay, so tell me about yourself first.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, my name is Sapna, and I'm from Jaunpur, UP, and I'm blessed with the son, and I'm private school teacher as well as homemaker. And I run my own YouTube channel by the name Sapna Raghuvanshi. And if I talk about my hobby, so I can say that earlier my hobby was like and this type of video and motivational story and also interacting with different people. So now I can say that my hobby has completely changed. I'm taking so much interest in all these things. And ma'am, I must say that you are also doing great in your life. And for me, as I said earlier, that you are because you all means all YouTubers. So I personally want to thanks all of you to motivate others. And if I'm here this time, so only for getting myself motivated by watching uh, your all video means there are so many YouTuber like you and many more means you are just for me center of motivation always. And if I'm here this time and I'm talking to you, I'm feeling confident in English speaking. So just because of watching your all video.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you are watching my videos, so really it's very fascinating sound for me. And if my videos motivated you, so I'm really
Yes, ma'am.
very, very like feeling proud of myself, right? So thank you so much.
You should, ma'am, you should feel proud because you are doing something great. And if I'm here, so I'm just a authentic like proof that yes, there are many people who are getting themselves motivated by
Yes.
watching you, and also many more who are means uploading this type of useful content for learners, for beginners, I must
Right.
say.
If they are watching this kind of content, they also they will feel like how they can learn this language. It doesn't matter
Yes, ma'am.
which kind of circumstances they are facing in their personal or professional life, right? even then they can do. It doesn't matter. Like you are very rich or poor, right? You are very knowledgeable person or not. But even then you can do. Just believe on yourself because this is your life, this is your journey, and you have to stand for yourself. If you don't, then who will stand for you? Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
always,
Correct.
yeah, always try to think about yourself, which thing is better for you and which is wrong for you. Right? So if you are able to think, you can do easily and effortlessly anything. Because if I can do, because sitting at home, it is not possible. It is not my cup of tea, right? But yet I'm trying to speak. I'm trying to learn something new rather than wasting my time, right? So it is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
matter.
Exactly.
It is very biggest thing, biggest challenges in our life, mostly for homemakers. They are facing a lot of problems in their life. Sometimes health issues, sometimes family problems, sometimes kids problems, sometimes a lot of like circumstances come across in their life. Even then, they are stand for themselves, right? They are updating themselves. So it is really very great and great opportunities in our life. I'm very, very grateful for social media and YouTube channel, Skype app, right? So
Me
it is
too,
very,
ma'am. Me too.
so it is very wonderful, wonderful opportunities for all of women, right? We are able to talk, we are able to express our feeling to each other, right? So it is very, very incredible in our life. Okay, so tell me about your journey. When did you start and how long have you been learning English?
Actually, ma'am, if I talk about my journey, so I have, as I said, that I'm private school teacher. So I have been teaching in private school, and my subject is also English. And I have been teaching for 8 years. So for me, means in school, I am always surrounded with English atmosphere with my student in class. But if I talk about speaking skills, so I was from always I was very bad in speaking, and I was very good in grammar. Means my all students means always used to say that ma'am, you are teaching quite different way, and also they are getting so much interest in my teaching method. But from always I wanted to speak English. Because ma'am, I was always realizing that if I'm English teacher, so to be a good, at least a good English speaker. So,
Right.
but I was not so much, I can say, passionate that time. Means I
Hmm.
was always used to busy myself like for learning grammar and searching it deeply and deeply, and I was never focusing on speaking. That is the great
Hmm.
problem. But means if I talk about earlier, so earlier I was living in different city like Azamgarh city, you know, I hope.
Yeah.
I was living in Azamgarh and I was teaching there, but nowadays I'm living in my basic district Jaunpur and also teaching here. So after coming here, then I realized that now when summer vacation was going on, so that time I realized that now I have to do something for my speaking. I have to learn, because if I say honestly, ma'am, so I'm earlier I was also such type of person, means whenever I got time, free time, so that time I always utilize mobile by watching like TV serials, horror movie, and these type of things. But in this summer vacation, I decided like no, this time I will not do all these things. And if I touch mobile, so definitely I will touch only for good things, only for learning
Hmm.
good things. And by thinking this, I just started utilizing my mobile in good way, and started. So firstly, when I thought to learn English, so there are many friends of mine who suggested me that to in initial, if you want to learn speaking, So try to watch podcast video and conversational type video. So I started firstly watching conversational video. So during that day I has got to know about all YouTubers like you and many more who are uh, like providing this type of conversational video. So that time I watched many more video of yours and many more YouTuber, and then I decided like if they all can do by sitting at home, so why can't me? Because I'm English teacher, so it's my first priority. For me it's obligatory to speak English. So by thinking this, ma'am, I have jumped on this platform and firstly I decided to tell motivational story, and in this way I started my speaking journey. So I can say
Yeah.
that it's been only 2 or 3 months. And if I talk about this type of practice, speaking practice, so it's been only 2 months since when I started speaking.
Oh, so just in 2 months, you improved a lot, really. And this confidence, right? You have confidence to speak. It's a really very great thing inside you. I can
Thanks a
see.
lot.
Okay, so good to hear
But
about that.
ma'am, I can say that I got all inspiration from your side and also more YouTuber. And nowadays, I'm very thankful to these type of YouTubers and also this type of app means Skype and all who are means providing this type of beautiful content for learners and beginners. And also, you all are such type of nice person who always ready to make learners feel comfortable, because firstly when I talked you and also I talked Nutan ma'am and Menika ma'am. So in my initial day when I used to watch your video, so I it never occurred in my mind that in future I will also talk to you like this. So
Yeah,
just for me it's like my dream came true that I'm talking to you all. So you all are very nice and also making us feel comfortable.
yeah.
Great
So
thing I experienced.
thank you so much for appreciating me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. It's really make me motivate to learn more and more. This okay. So when did it comes in your mind? You should create your own channel. I'm talking about YouTube journey. YouTube.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, as I said, it's came in my mind by watching your video, and there are also many more who are just a housemaker, and by sitting at home there. So when I decided to speak English, so the big problem, like with whom I speak, because at my home people used to speak Bhojpuri and hardly they used to speak Hindi at my village. So how can I create English atmosphere among means among them? So it was quite difficult for me to create English atmosphere at my home. And if I talk about school, so in school I always used to speak English with my student. And yes, ma'am. So when I started making my own video, so firstly, means you all are also that time I realized you all are suggested to make your own video like self talk video, do mirror practice. So I is initially I started doing all these things, but I was not taking interest in all these things and I was not serious. The main problem, I was not serious. Like I was making fun of me, like what am I doing, just joking type feeling was coming in me. So I skipped all these things. And that time my husband motivated me to if you really want to speak English, so try to make this type of video and upload this video on YouTube. And when you start uploading your video on YouTube, so that time you will become serious about it, and you will take it seriously. And definitely of course ma'am, I did this. So I
Yeah,
started
if you have YouTube channel, then it becomes your responsibility to
yes
post. Yeah, post your video there because a lot of like audience are waiting for your video, right?
yes
If they are watching, but I can say like you got many subscribers in just 2 months.
So, ma'am, I don't know. And even in my school, if I talk honestly, so even my school, I didn't reveal, means earlier, I didn't reveal about my channel because I was also feeling embarrassed and also like hesitant, like how to reveal this. So I never told to anyone, but day by day, they started knowing some students and still all are not knowing about my channel, but who some are there who got to know, so maybe they subscribed and also many more subscribers. So I don't know, but this is a great feeling, ma'am. I can say that when someone appreciating you like in front of you, like you are doing great. So I hope as this time I'm appreciating you because you are really doing great. So ma'am, I hope I can imagine that how much happiness in you this time. Many of
Yeah,
my best friend of my
I'm
previous
also
school called me and told me that you are doing very great thing and you are talking to different people. Sometimes you're advocate, sometimes businessman, and many trainers. So it seems like you are going to be great personality. They are making fun of me, and we will have to take appointment to talk with you, Sapna. I said no, nothing like that, but
Yeah, it is really very great opportunity for us, right? Because sitting at home, you are talking different kind of people. If you are talking different kind of people, then you are going to learn because everyone has different kind of thought, different kind of feeling, and they are creating different kind of aura, right? So
yes, ma'am.
if you talk with the different people, then you can learn a lot of things from them, right? So it is really very great opportunities. Okay, so do you have any question?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I also want to know from your side that means how did you start your journey? And I know about your journey that how did you start. So I think I don't need to ask it. But yes, ma'am, just tell me. Means what is your opinion about learning grammar? Means how much some people are saying like grammar is not important for learning communication skill, but I want to know about your opinion. uh, is this true that we don't need to learn anything in grammar?
No, actually, I can't say grammar is not important, but yes,
Yes,
grammar
exactly.
is really important. You know, grammar is like I can say ornament for this language, right? So I'm also learning nowadays grammar part because I am good, not very good, but yes, I am good at speaking. Okay, but I'm not good in grammar part. So nowadays I'm learning because grammar is very important for all of us. If you are an intermediate level, then for moving ahead an advanced level, you need to learn grammar part as well, right? So that you can move ahead an advanced level. So grammar is very essential for this language. Okay, if you know this grammar part, then if each and everything you can express. Okay, in your head you can think in you, and you can like elaborate your thought in a precise way. So it is very important. Grammar, I can't say like grammar is not important because a lot of people are learning only for like listening and speaking. Okay, I also have learned only for listening and speaking. But yes, nowadays I'm feeling grammar is really very important.
So ma'am,
We can't, yeah.
I want to ask actually that before starting your journey, uh, did you have grammar knowledge? Means
Yeah,
much or a little bit?
I not more, but I
No,
had
ma'am.
little bit.
No, you are telling lie. That's why I asked you because I watched your video with Manju ma'am. Manju ma'am, the great
You
person.
know,
So Manju ma'am asked you, and you are you were responding very well that time because I'm English teacher, so I'm good at grammar. I can say, but yes, sometimes when people put up this type of addendum questions, so definitely I will take some time to think in my mind, like what is the rule, regulation, helping verb, and all. And I was though feeling that I'm very happy, and I was thinking like, yes, ma'am, ma'am have good knowledge of grammar because that time you were responding very well, and ma'am was asking you some question and like convert it into different.
I think it's been 20 days. Okay, 20 days ago, I had conversation with Manju ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
yeah. So that time we were doing conversation, and suddenly ma'am asked this part. Okay, so I was able to answer them.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am. I watched the whole video because I was also taking much interest, getting bored by watching. Am I right? And
Right.
that ma'am, means Manju ma'am, she always put up like some interesting and different like content. So when she started, when I saw that she started putting question, putting up question, and you started giving answer correctly, so I was taking interest and just watch full video.
Yeah, I had like before starting my journey, I had some grammar knowledge because I was like preparing KVS exam. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So in KVS exam, you have to give interview in English, and that is the reason I was preparing interview. But I can say, unfortunately, government expelled all B.Ed holders. Okay, from that KVS exam. Okay, so I felt very sad that time, and because of this reason, I stopped my journey for 6 months. 6 months, I didn't practice anything. Okay, that time. But after 6 months, I realized no, I can't sit at a place. I have to do something different in my life, and I also have to move ahead in my life because life doesn't stop for everyone or anyone, right? If one path is closed for you, another path is open for you, right? So in this way, I'm just like I was thinking like this, and I had since my childhood, I got very positive environment, and that is the reason I have positive thought. Okay, so because of my positive thinking, I am here, I am able to learn, I am able to speak, and I am creating positive environment in my family and also with my children.
And
So
ma'am,
this has
I I want to interrupt you and say something. You are also spreading positive vibes in this world among all people, like me and others housewives who are
yeah,
sitting at home and making excuses like we can't do anything because we are housewife and we are supposed to sit all time at home and do all household chores and managing kids and all. So they should learn something from you,
yeah.
from me, that yes, we all can do by sitting at home.
Yeah, everyone can do. We can't excuses because this is our life. If you are not stand for yourself, no one can stand for you.
Yes, ma'am, exactly.
Because this is your life, and if you are able to earning money, then it is also very incredible job you are doing, right? And you can make a better life to your children, to your also for you, right? Okay, so thank you so much, wonderful session. Thank you so much, Sapna ji. It was really lovely connecting with you.
Okay, ma'am, next time
Yeah,
I will like to
yeah,
connect
yeah,
with.
definitely. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.